It's pretty windy, but I'll try the new X1 Pro Max here. It's the first day since I got the drone that there hasn't been raining, so maybe it's too windy, but I'll try it anyway. So I'll try the different settings, and hopefully you can see how it reacts in the wind.
This is my first test, so thought it would record sound automatically. This is the orbit mode. Start a bit slow as the wind is strong, but it is managing fine. This is the zoom out. Zoom out is split up into two recordings, one flying away and the return. This is eagle eye. This is also split up into two recordings, one flying up and one descending. The picture struggle descending. Think it is when the hard wind hit the drone. Might be the electronic stabilizer trying to make picture steady. Wanted to challenge the follow mode by trying a tight space. This attempt failed, so try to see if it can find me again by showing my face. This video is shorter than I wanted it to be. Could see rain was appearing again, but still wanted to do the basic modes. So here a follow mode again. A little walk that was way too easy for the drone, but the ground was so wet from the last rain that I turned around. We'll do something harder when the weather is better. I switched to Dolly track mode just to see how it reacts to a little descent and small turns of my body. This is a little manual flying, did not have much battery left, had extra batteries with me, but rain was coming. Wanted to show sidetrack but haven't unlocked it yet. You have to do a few flights to unlock all modes. Not that hard to control, but a bit stiff when you use phone, because of the lack of joysticks. I will do a new video when the weather is better. Maybe try all modes in the different settings so we can see the difference. Please tell if you have any advice or things you want to see me test. I also have a plan. Do a comparison of the Hoverair X1 Promax, the $749 to a $50 copy drone of the Hoverair. See how big the difference is. It is still in transit, but please tell if that is something you would like to see. Thanks for watching. Hope to order a beacon when possible, because I want to try something myself I can't find online. Want to see if the Hoverair can follow a slow car off-road if beacon is used. At the end, I pressed the return to home because of low battery. That scared me a bit. It went straight up, higher than I have tried myself. Luckily, it flew straight to me and descended